Good morning, good people. How's it going out there? It is January 31st. What a roller coaster ride of a day it was yesterday, huh? Looks like the market took quite a fall. Let's get into the charts. I did anticipate a bounce around the 4 hour yesterday. I definitely took that play. Did not expect them to come shoot all the way down to the daily money zone. You guys will see that in a minute. Um, this was Sunday's move that sparked the move to the upside. And that was a pretty good rally. This order came in and the market exploded at 3 o'clock. And then this supply line came in here on a 15 minute. I believe there's also one on a 1 hour above us. So after that, every demand got crushed. However, we did catch this momentum move to the upside. And yeah, man, the market just kind of followed this trend line. Now, I would like to see a bounce out of this zone only because it is the daily money zone. Will we get some consolidation and chop before we get that? Maybe. I don't know. But I'm still bullish in this market for what it's worth. Let's get into the macros so we could either adjust or move the the money zones here. Currently viewing. All right, cool. All right, so yeah, here we are inside this zone right here on the daily. Gonna move it down a little bit. Looks like it shifted a bit, so we'll get that there. And this should be an interesting zone to watch today. What a major candle to the downside there after a rally. That's how the market works, I guess. Got a few things in here that I want to take out. Probably like divergences that I spot here and there. Remove, remove. Yeah. So, we have a same grid here. Looks like we bounced off of a daily line there. Came back to retest it. Let's go take a look at where that line came from. Obviously, it came all the way from over here. So yeah, this is the area that we need to like launch from and move away from in order to reclaim all-time high areas. That orange line up there is your all-time high. We have a couple of 4 hour levels here that we need to beat, and this is your daily level. And this is the price action that occurred way back in 2021. Okay, so in 2021 we hit, and then we had a major drop. So I mean, we don't want to see the market drop like that, obviously, because we want the markets to just continuously go up. But look how extended we are from the 200 moving average on the daily. So I would not be shocked if we get this sort of pattern to the downside. Now, notice that this is kind of like the same. We have a lower high drop, and then we started to reclaim it again. If we get this type of price action, this type of drop, I will go long. I will add to my long-term account. So I need to see some sort of demand level from a macro, a daily or a 4 hour. Either one is fine. And then I'll jump in there for the long-term account. Now, let's get into the 4 hour chart really quickly, see what's going on there. So we have this 4 hour line level. It looks like 17,564. That's going to be a level that we want to watch out for throughout the day to reclaim. We have 17,496, and then we have this micro one right here, right? So market came down, kind of clap, and then fell all the way down there. Now we started to fall from up here, which is absolutely insane. We're talking about a hell of a fall, 700 down to 300. Oh my God, if you caught that yesterday, Man. And look at this. This is an M top, right? The moving average made an M top. We have lower high, lower high, lower high. Um, lower low now. So, you know, it's anyone's guess. But we do have a 4-hour level building down here. It's not straight yet. We have 1, 2, 3. So someone's trying to stop it. At some point, this thing will slingshot back to the upside. That's what I'm anticipating. And it's happening inside of the daily money zone. So if we slip through the daily money zone, what is the type of price action that I expect? Well, I expect we basically cover this entire imbalance, right? And start getting some support down here. Now, this is close to the bottom of the Bollinger Band, so that is a possibility, right? But we have some plays in our hands. Right now, we're kind of away from any kind of moving averages that I like, but we'll set an alert here. Just in case the market decides to rally up there, but I'm anticipating that to happen in the morning. And I'll set another alert here if the market gets down there, okay? And that's my range. It's my big boy range that we're looking at. I don't need to put another level here because the daily is supporting this kind of level, and I don't have a straight line yet, all right? So we're looking at 17,326 for a bounce, 466 for a rejection, possible rejection. And if we get there, we'll see what happens, but who knows? The market could get crazy now. We do have a bearish 4-hour trend. So we'll switch this into red. So we'll know on the smaller time frame what's happening in real time. So we'll switch that to red. Hit OK. Okay. And a little bit bigger than that, but it's not important. All you need to know is that this area up here is a kill zone. So if we get up there, I will put an order for shorts and just kind of walk away, you know, because Jesus, this thing right here would have paid you crazy if you had, you know, the balls to hold it. And that's some big selling volume, right? Big seller, big seller, big seller, big selling volume. My God, don't even. I wish I could somehow put my mouse on a candle and get the information that we get up here, right? And that way, I would know what that candle represents, like how much volume was in that actual candle. I wish I could get that. But anywho, those are our macro kind of assessment. We are in the daily money zone, okay? We have a 4-hour money zone that's bearish. If they flip this trend bearish, it's going to take a while, right? And, you know, who knows how long it's going to be there, but we are in a bullish kind of phase right now on the weekly and the daily. We don't need to look at the daily, but right now the daily ATR is 200. The market is fading. You can consider this a flag pattern. And I think there is some support down here, right? Right? Like you can see that. Maybe we can draw this better. Okay. And we'll see what happens. I would love to see. Let me see something. So I've been spotting divergences left and right here in the market. So like something like this right here. This was a divergence that we spotted yesterday. Market was making 1, 2, something like lower lows here, but the dollar sign tick was making higher lows. So the selling pressure didn't match the actual chart. And that to me tells me that we could bounce, right? So we caught this bounce. We caught this one, let these sellers take it out, break even, and then we caught this one again. But yeah, at the end of the day, it got really, really choppy. And then boom, we had that 4 o'clock. I think some earnings or something like that came out and caused the market to fall at the end of the day. But spotting these divergences, I want to see how that looks on a macro level, like a 4-hour chart. Or maybe even a 1-hour, like, because if we could spot that, right, on a 1-hour chart, let me just see what it looks like. Yeah, you're not gonna. Yeah, you're not really gonna catch anything, I think, on a 1-hour chart, but not enough data for me to catch anything. Yeah, I can't see it. All right, well, whatever. We'll go back to 2 minute. And what I wanted to do was extend this thing. Demand came in right there. 2 minute demand down there. Get that pump it up. Let's just take a look at. I'm just looking at some market externals from yesterday to see how the market kind of behaved. So yeah, look at this. So we have this massive drop, right? So like I need to have this up because this would influence my decisions throughout the day somewhat. But we're looking at 9:30, so all of this up here, all this information right here is gold. Market opens up, get this bit of a rally right here, then the fall starts happening. Then we get this pump up during the fall. Then we have like this. Take a closer look. All right, then we have this bit of a rally right here that runs right into another rejection right at this 100 EMA, right? Like that was just a barrier yesterday, acting as a trend line. Which is why I really don't draw trend lines because I'm gonna make a move off of that anyways. But anyways, then boom, another fall. Look at how violent this fall is compared to the actual price action. And then if you finally decide to get in, you're at the bottom, and then you're dealing with this massive rally that will get you out of the trade. But all they did was consolidate into another fall. This is wicked. That's a high. That's a higher low on the left side. I don't know, man. This looks. I mean, obviously the chart was pretty bearish. Look at where we are. Jesus, why? -17. Yeah, we have a bounce. We're in a bounce zone, I think. See what happens. Oh, look who's there. All right, yeah. So yeah, it's really the macro that I'm leaning on. We'll see what ends up happening, but leaning on it. Let's get some of these levels out to the community here. So we'll start with the 1 hour. Get into scanning technicals, daily levels, okay? Daily levels. What am I doing that there? All right. So we'll move some of these around. We have the 15-minute chart up. So we'll focus on this orange one and we'll put one there. That's your 15-minute supply level that could cause some smoke. We're going to use this one. Okay. That's the one that we should be using. So yeah, we got supply up there, and that's fresh supply. It looks like heavy supply is up there. We do have any demand anywhere? Don't really see any demand. So we'll use the daily demand on this one. Right? We want to make sure we understand where the market is like trapped right now. So between these two, the 15-minute is showing you that we have some serious bounces coming in down there, rejections up there. The level is 17,444 rejection, 17,334. I already have an alert down here, but we'll create another one up here, but we'll create another one. All right. We'll also go into the 1 hour 200. All right. So here on the 1 hour, we have supply up there, and we'll move this demand right here. Yeah. Whew. Don't get too confused by anything. It's just, I mean, like, this could be demand. It really could be demand. Ay, ay, ay. So we have a trend line where the market is bouncing from. Market could go down there again. And if it does, I'll put an order to go long. See if we could get some moves back up to like, 420 or whatever. That's about a 100-point move too. But yeah, let's get these levels out. So 17,737. Man, it's so hard to. So we got demand at 17,326. We're going to use that as a 15-minute. I do think that 429 is a demand, but we broke through it, 429. So that should be a level that we should watch. We do have supply on the 1 hour way up here at, we could even use this one, right? Like, because we're so far from this. It's not that we can't get there, but we can use this one here. So 17,564 area. And supply on the 15-minute. Back to that. 17,444. Okay. 4 hour says anything up here is a kill. So we do want to know when the market gets up there. Ay, 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 ay. Watch out, we're at the D2. So, I mean, again, it's a good area for a bounce back. Oof. More selling just came in. Oh, come on. What a whip. We got about 3 minutes before the market opens. Let's get it. I like that candle right there. A 2-minute candle. Man. I'm liking the buying down there, man. I'm really liking that. Those like these wicks. I'm liking that. Just gonna put a little trend line here. It's a 15-minute. All right, let's get to it. Got about 46 seconds until the bell. Here we go. It's about to get real violent. Damn, I could have took that long. Quick little money right there. Scalp right there. 91 to 99. Just gonna wait. Be patient. Let them break some levels. Go order in there. Walk, walk, walk. It's a 2 minute. Still gonna be patient. See a rejection there. Yo, yo.
Yo, hold on 1 second. I'm on the phone.
Yeah. Jesus.
My thing, I got to get you with it for somebody to like tell you if you do leave there that you'll never get another job in that industry. Like, you don't come back. Heated temperature.
All out. Oh man, I probably could have held that a little bit better. Jesus. Just hit a couple targets right there. Yeah, it hit that 744. See that level right there? That's that orange supply. Don't want to get in the way of that. Nice little price action though. What's that? 90, 30 points. Look at that. That's sweet. That trend line. See that supply on a 15-minute. I don't know if I told you to watch out for that one. See, 444. Yeah, so it's around there. 430, 444. Damn, that would have been a 6 short. We topped out at 426. See another wick from down there? That's what you want to see. I don't know if you want to get in there from that, but that's what you want to see. Fire stuff the fuck in down there. Woo-hoo-hoo. They ate that wick up. I think we might have some more falling coming in, boys. 730, 17,326 might be the next level, but I like this. Like, like I say, I always say, anything above this, I'm taking that. They broke down 3 demand levels. This shit finna, I think we about to tank. This is a trend line, so we should see some sort of bounce here. They break through this, lights out. Yo, that's crazy. My stop was literally right there. That's wicked. Oh, let me detach this. Detach. Detach. There. Okay. Detaching that chart because I want to put it on something different screen. Yeah, I don't really pay attention to this until 15 minutes in, which we are now 15 minutes into it. And this thing is going up, but the market's coming down. Like, what kind of shit is that? So I like the buying wick down there. I just don't want to jump in yet until I see some confirmation on the what you call it, this chart over here, tick chart. Probably get some demand or something like that. Yeah, every one of these I could take to the downside. I just haven't pulled the trigger on any shorts. Not sure why yet, but I'm gonna wait. I mean, we're up now, but 150 something on the day. Just trying to be smart, man. Trying to be smart. Yo, LMD, you still on the phone? That's a higher low there. Shit. Apple fell hard. Tesla on a rise. Nvidia got a bounce. Amazon. Yeah, looks like we could catch a bounce down there, guys. Look at that. Holy smoke, we caught the bounce. So if we break above this and hold, I like to see another run up. Here it goes. Or they're gonna fucking slam this again, but got the buying pressure right there. Okay. Yeah. That was nice. That was nice. Should have shot my shot. We would have been in somewhere down here at 70s. It's already up to 84, so almost 10 points there, and possibly just continue to rally. This thing continue to just shoot up.
Good morning.
Yo.
Yo, what's up, man? How you guys doing?
Hey, Maroon, what's going on, brother?
Yeah, everything irie. Cool. Yeah. You guys good?
Yeah, I'm straight, man. Took my one trade, caught the bounce this morning. This thing faded, and now I think we're about to start the rally back up. But I'm done. IT done for me. think if we're gonna shoot all the way back up to 725.
Are you doing LMD?
I think he's on the phone or something like that.
Come on. Just here watching, man. One trade today. So see if it works out. If it doesn't. Yeah. Watching yeah.
BA, I think Vegas talking about that in a group. I don't know if that was going on with it, but I don't really do stocks equities.
Yeah, you know that, man. I don't mess with
Futures.
I just trade, do my own thing, man. I mean,
Yeah, dig it. I dig it.
how's trading going for you, though, man?
I'm having an amazing year, man. I'm still a little bit, reckless here and there. But I was talking to a coach the other day, and he was like, "Man, listen, everybody goes on tilt. Just keep your size small, so by the time you realize you're tilting, you won't damage the account." And it made a lot of sense, like it's hard not to tilt because we want to be right and we're not used to being wrong. And after a while, you'll get it. You'll just be like, all right, fuck it, let me just take this L and walk. But you don't want to do that shit with size. And now the L goes from, the L is fucking 20 grand or something like that. So.
Emotional compromise, right?
Correct. Yeah, I like this level here. But yeah. So, but yeah, this year's been good. How about yourself?
It's been okay. Started off rough. Had to take a step back and really dive into some stuff and sort of figure out where I want to focus this year. And, got back on track. Trying to do more swing trading and just limit my trades to one a day. So, like I was saying, I was looking for those bigger moves instead of scalping. So just really trying to hone in on that, truly focus. You know what I mean? So far so good. The emotional side of of holding trades for longer is tough. You know what I mean? So just trying to really sit with those emotions and allow them to be, because and then sometimes we allow the emotions to affect us without complete picture as to what's going on. So sometimes it's just a need to gather more information. Sometimes when you're in a trade, you just need to wait and allow things to form. So it's going well so far.
Good. Yeah, same here, man. Sometimes you get out of the trade, and like just now I was in a long and I got out for reasons that I needed to get out. Like we hit a supply level on my chart. I got my crazy code. So I got out of there I had 4 like MNQ contracts, and I'm trying not to look at the P&L, but just like react to the chart, right? Like I know X is going to happen based on these lines. So I got out of there and the market literally tanks, bro. And I would have been in the red. It would have stopped me out red. And I thought to myself, like, this is what fucks with our head. One minute we're saying we should hold the trade all the way up into target, but then something like this happens and you're like, fuck that. Like I did the right thing. And right now it seems that way. But I don't think that that's a problem. I think you should always be, proactive in the market, but you should at the very least take 1 hour out of the trade.
Yeah, capturing something.
Yeah,
what I mean? That's the risk management piece, right?
Yeah.
If you're going to put on a trade, you should at least capture something so it balances your risk. Right. So, I do that all the time. Not because I'm not going to be like, oh, okay, this is up 2R and I'm just going to let it ride. You know what I mean? Like, nah. Take something off. even if it's 10%. You know what I mean? You got to scratch that itch. Yep. You know what I mean? Because at the end of the day, when you look at it and it's like, fuck, I'm happy I took that little piece off.
Right. You feel like shit letting that thing come all the way back down, like.
And fuck you up, yeah. But that's the thing too, right? And that's the balance. You really got to know where you're focused. Is this a day trade? Is this a scalp? Or is this a long-term swing trade, right?
Yeah.
So, all right, man, that's good, man. I was just saying hi.
For sure, man. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Yeah, for sure. We'll check in with Vega them.
For sure.
Yo, question for you, man.
Mm-hmm.
You guys are just not on speaking terms. I know it's none of my business.
Oh, I'm done with him, bro. Done with him. Yeah. I don't. I'm tired of I argue with my wife, bro. the way that he argues, and I think he argues from an emotional standpoint. When I say something, it has nothing to do with your trading style. It has nothing to do with trying to come at you, right? We're all in a group. We all have different trading, edges, et cetera, et cetera. But every time I say something, he takes it into a personal matter. Like all I said was, bro, you this is the first in my video. I live stream every day. I was like, yo, bro, I think this is the first time I ever heard you say that you were going to get into a trade before you got into it. That statement, bro, based on the arguments when he was coming back, he was like, yo, that's wild disrespectful because other people hear that and they think that I don't know what I'm talking about. Like, what? How the fuck did you get that? Anyways, so it becomes like then he starts talking about his trading. Like, I don't understand, bro. But all I know is from what I get from it is like everything that I said had nothing to do with what you're assuming. And my wife is the only person that I give that leeway to, bro. Like, she
I'm just asking, man.
Yeah. I mean, we don't have to get into it, but yeah, no. I at this point, I just like he called me a hater, and I'm like, bro, nobody account put food in my pocket, so I'm not I don't care about how you do or if you win or lose. It's not I never ever fucking gave that vibe to no one. So it's never based on anything like, facts. It's just like, what are you talking about? But whatever.
Yeah.
Anywho, thanks for asking, man. But yeah, I have no malice towards anyone. It's just I'm not gonna deal with that.
Yeah. Okay.
For sure.
All right. Well, after watching these Rothblatt screens,
Yeah,
yo, what's your background, man?
I'm Panamanian.
You're Panamanian?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Heard a bit of a
Patois?
accent. There's another accent on it.
Yeah. My grandmom's. If you heard her speak, you would think she was Jamaican.
Yeah. At first, I thought you were Jamaican. This man has some kind of Jamaican.
Yeah.
All right, brother.
For sure, man. Take it easy.
Yes.
I would have been a good short. Man, they peekaboo now. I like this. Still long bias. Got a demand that came in right there, so a few buyers stepping in on this pullback.
Yo.
Hey, man.
What's going on?
Not much. One and done this one today, brother. I don't think I'm going back in.
What's up? I'm still looking for see what happened after 10 o'clock.
So I think we have a lot of data today too.
FOMC this afternoon.
Whew. Watch me get this whole move come all the way back.
It's 10 o'clock candle. I think gonna push it up to about 403 maybe if it catches volume to the high side.
There goes 10 o'clock now. 4 seconds in. I see nothing happening.
That's good.
Oh, it's dropping actually.
I'll just watch these charts for short areas because all of my charts are red.
This looks like a short area here. Previous swing highs just stopped. But yeah, this 10 o'clock candle could be a little volatile, man.
Got an area at 376 that kind of from 370 to 376.
Mm-hmm.
Should have took that right there. That would have gave me a 3-point stop. Let's see. Didn't do it.
You going short or long?
Short. All my charts are red right now. Everything is red.
Yeah, be careful in this. Like, this is the daily money zone. I do see selling pressure in here, but I'm long bias in this on all day, dog.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait and see. I can't be long until it get over VWAP. We below VWAP right now.
Oh, you following the rules I see today.
And two.
Good stuff, man. Look at that W on the tick chart.
Yeah, I see it on the 500, on the 200. Yeah, it's pretty much on all of them.
Oh, shit,
But
it
like I
comes to
said,
bears again. Man,
yeah,
that dip that we had over at 948, I was gonna catch that shit. I'm waiting for them to hit like 334 ish or maybe 325. I got a 326 level down here, man. I'm trying to be patient for it. Doesn't look like we're gonna get it. Maybe this is the type of price action that I wanna see, right? A push up that shows buyers are stepping in, a pullback like this, holding, and now we're making higher lows. I don't know.
so my tick charts have flipped green. So
There it
that's
goes.
a good start. But like I said, I'm not looking for. You got VWAP, 200, 100, all right together in a from 402 to 395. So until it gets over that level and starts setting some higher lows and higher highs, I only could be looking for shorts, and I can't look for shorts right now because on the 2 minute it just kind of set a higher low.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna be looking to see if this can get back over 400 now.
So, I think this thing runs up to 450 and then snaps all the way up to 500.
This is a supply area right here.
What time frame you got supply on? Yeah, I got that on the 2 minute.
2 minute and the 1 minute.
Buyer stepping into this candle.
So it needs to push through this.
Current bar has 5,000 in selling. In in volume, 5 minute, and then the 2 minute has 2,000. Let me see if that's true.
I got that same money zone on the 1 minute, and that was actually right where I got a 4 hour level at. So we'll see, but it's in a down channel too. So I don't know. I can see this heading back down.
For sure.
Just waiting. I'm sure got a new 5 minute supply about to come in with a high of 93. Yeah, I'm being very disciplined. I only want to I took 2 trades so far this morning.
Good
As
ones?
soon as they got
Good ones?
nah, as soon as they got green, I took my stop to break even. I ain't giving back no money today. And I really only want to risk. Okay, here comes supply about to get busted on these. So yeah, the tick charts are green. They both, all three of my tick charts, I could have been going long on just based off of that, and would be up 15 points. But
Yeah, you're on the VWAP, remember?
exactly. That's why I'm not taking no longs up under that. I got to sit here an hour to wait for it to get above it. That's just what I would have to do.
Or if you see like the rejection coming in again, jump in on with them. I'm done. I'm not gonna took my shot. I'm good. I do like this area as demand. Like I said, we're in a daily money zone. When that motherfucker kicks in, they turn on the bots.
But we didn't broke it a couple of days. If you go back on the 24th, we broke through it.
What? The money zone?
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, you usually get like it's it's an area, a range. So they could break if they break below that shit. I think we going all the way down to 1,600, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Um, so 16,000. So we'll see what happens, but price action right now, if you just kind of trust in this zone, when this shit kicks in, Man, I put in an order for 4 contracts, bro, when the 935 move started happening. Man, I got hit at the top, dude, chasing it. So I was like, look, if this trade goes bust, I'm gonna put my stop right here. Probably would have lost like 80 to $100. Then I fucking set an alert for when it got above, and all of a sudden them shits were going off. Bing, 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 bing. I'm like, oh shit. But it was that move that I like to see. And this is why I think might happen here. If the bulls start getting steamed, you're gonna see that above the 200 on the tick chart move that I pretty much call out. Here it goes.
Just setting higher lows, spare flagging. Setting higher lows and lower highs actually on the 2-minute chart if you look at it, and on the 1-minute chart. I would like to see this back up there like 17,390. Fail back down. This gave me several 10-point moves as soon as it get into this 2-minute money zone or this 2-minute supply area. It's giving me clean 10-point moves, which I said that I was going. If I got a 10-point move, I'd lock in 5. 10-point moves. Count a little bit more. Trust me, tomorrow I will be instantly putting in a request. Pull out probably $700. That's half of what I'm up right now.
Yeah. Looks like we might take a dip. The ad is coming down. ADQD.
It's setting up to make a good flush down to about 50. And that'll take out this demand on the 2-minute chart and on the 1-minute chart, which will be nasty. Actually, it'll take out demand on every time frame. Just being patient, man. Not trying to rush into anything today. That's what's been killing me.
For sure.
Actually, probably get up and go actually cut my grass in a minute if this thing don't move to an area where I want to be seeing it. I think it's about to go down to 50. Probably try to bounce up out of that demand area. Probably get a nice bounce. That 200 chart, you can't trust none of those levels.
No, you tripping, bro. What you mean?
It blazes through them like butter. Like right now, it just buttered through every single supply. Now it's a big one up here that may hold.
You see that right here? You might be studying your chart, so whatever. But these demand that came in at 930, I was looking at that, and that supply came in. Once we broke through that shit, and we're above the 200, I'm like right now, bro, this demand is holding. You can just take the
108.
What's that?
You talking about on the 200?
Yeah, the 200 on my chart. If you look at that, every demand that came in had a nice move up. But if this thing gets above that 200 and starts running, bro, it's gone. Like, so I'll put my order in down here, stop out if they get lows, and just call it a day, which I might do right now.
I need to see this supply go so that it can get over. Like I said, they got to get over 400 for me to go long. Because it's nice opportunities, but I got to stick to my plan.
For sure.
See, like right there, I could have took that short when that got down in the box. Let's see though. This is just chop, but looking at the charts, it looked bear flaggish on the 5, 2, and 1-minute chart. It's just not doing something. You got to be patient. And for me, I don't have the range. Like for me to take that move on the 2-minute chart, I would have to get in at 81 and set my stop at 94. I'm not I don't want to take that big of a stop today.
Here comes the bears. Oh, let me look at my macro chart. And I still didn't even check it with all it.
Said this is pushing back down. It's gonna push down to 50.
Ooh.
There you take if you can get a good loan. So it pushed it just into the demand area right
Not
now.
for me, buddy. They back below the 200. You about to get the opposite of what I was talking about. Run down.
See, I'm gonna show you why I say that this area here on the 200, or not, I'm sorry, on the 2 minute, because it can possibly,
Shit is bad.
so it's down there now. Let's see. So 50 would be like, I guess that would be good. If it got down to like 55, I could look to go long with my stop at 50. But again, I'm not taking no long trades, but that's how I would play this trade right here. Anywhere down near like 55, I would play it to try to bounce if I had the inclination that we're going long.
Oh shit. It's somebody buying it down there, but they're getting slammed back down.
But see the picture I just posted?
Give me one second.
That's why I was saying that I think it'll try to bounce back up out of that.
Yeah.
Because that and on all time frames. Did it come down to 55? Oh, it came down to 50. Heck yeah. So we could have just had an order sitting at 55 to go long with a 5-point stop. That's risking $10. All my charts still saying bullish or bearish. They all still red. This could be that W bottom. But yeah, W bottoms on them tick charts. Oh, here comes some new supply on the 1 minute chart. And it's inside of a demand area. That'd be the crazy thing.
Yeah, I think we dead, boss. This shit going down to 326.
Let's see if it's gonna break 350. Or actually, I guess that is a little lower than 350, 347, because it ain't broke it yet. Doop, doop, doop. It's gonna tap it. It tapped it literally. There, it broke it. Man, how many points has that ran? That's 30 freaking points, man. That's crazy.
I took it, bro.
The short?
Yeah, I just got out. Trying to hold one runner.
That's the bottom of that. Looks like the bottom of that trend channel.
I'm just trying to go to 27. At 26, I got a demand line. Actually, 42. There goes 42. I got hit there. Got my last runner now.
Coming up on a 4-hour level right here at 33.
This bitch is dying.
Let's see if
goodness.
it bounces at 33.
Come on, hit my last one.
Is that 33? Yeah, it did. It bounced right at 33.
Hit my last one.
I want to take this demand right here.
Man, I love this thing. Look at this fucking move. Don't think it's done. Do think we have to watch out down here because of the previous bounce that happened. I was a wick. But if they take that guy out, this shit is toast. 20 something is what I'm shooting for. Looks like supplies coming in on the tick chart again.
Took that long for a bounce.
Good stuff, boss.
I'm out.
I'm short now. Short buys now.
Still short bias, but I took that long because it was bouncing. This got room back up to 60. Man, that was like 14 freaking points. Come on, dude.
Dude, look at that shit. Rip.
I told you, it's got room up to 60. This is going to come up to 60 and flush back down. Oh, dog. I got out at 44. This thing is up 16 more points, man. I told you, man, I'm trading scared.
Trying to get that payout.
I was talking to Vega this morning. That's why I told him, man, I got to get past today so that I can trade the way I'm supposed to trade.
Nice little supply. They were bringing us down. Oof, man.
Look at that. What did I say it was going to go to? 60? What did that candle hit a high of? 59? Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and call it, I think, man. Go cut my grass for about an hour or so. And then I'll come back after 11:30.
Oh, shit. No, I don't know. Great. Come on. Go down to 20s. Go down to 20s. How bad?
Excuse me.
Getting out of the daily money zone if we do that, but there's a big demand down there at fucking 326. There it goes. Give it to daddy. Give it to daddy. Just do it.
I think this 4-hour level is going to hold.
I got a daily level at 26. So that's why I'm holding.
For short or long?
It's just a daily level. I only draw.
Holding for.
I'm holding my shorts to get there. Once we get there, I'm out.
Right? Yeah, but I'm saying I got this level at 33 that I think it held at 6 o'clock. If you look at a 5-minute chart.
Yeah, I got a level there too at 41. Yep. Yeah, this like I said, this area is gonna be a bitch to believe. Oh, look at the volume that just came in. That's a lot.
So I think once it holds 33, if it can get back over 50 and hold, I think it'll try to make a push back up again.
Yeah, it could go to the money zone and then reject again. I'm liking the selling volume though. This is crazy. Selling volumes are huge. Rejection from the 200 tick chart again. Come on now, slam these fucks. Look at all of this pressure. That was a balanced candle right there. Fucking buyers keep stepping in, bro. So right now, selling pressure at anything at 40 brings us down. 75 just brought us down, and then we're right back up. Jesus Christmas.
All right, man. I'm about to go pull the lawnmower out and cut my front yard real quick. I'll be back in 20 minutes.
All right, peace out. Still kind of battling with this supply here. Flagging. Right into the money zone, 2 minutes. Don't bounce again on there. 67% selling right there. Yeah, I should jump in too much. Still heavy, 85. Catching the bounce from this demand right here on the 5 minute. So it's still taking some time to break through them. On the 1 hour chart, we have 30,000 sellers versus 7,000 buyers. So I don't know. This is a sell candle to me. You just got to keep watching out for these demands that's trying to form on this tick chart. Oh, God. Fucking demand on the tick chart. Look how buyers are stepping in down there. That's a crazy bounce, man. This is a good read, right? 40,000 participants in this 1 hour bar. We're only 25 minutes in. There's 30,000 sellers and only 8,000 buyers right now. So that's kind of showing you the imbalance. But at any moment, this thing shot up to like 10,000, right? At the lows. So you just want to see this number stay low, I guess. Or see, look, 9,000, just like that, 5 to 9, 11. And then you see those big ass spurts over there on the right side. Wicked, man. Pretty wicked. Oh, that was a big buyer there. Oh, man. Come on, keep the fucking pressure on. You beast, just go hit me. I want 20s. I want 20s. Here we go. Break that demand. Break that demand. Boom, boom, boom. There we go. Nice. Fucking nice. Do we get another fall? We get another fall. Come on, baby boy. Come on, baby boy. And I see 20s. It goes 26. Jeez, McGuire, dogs. Sick. Sick. Boom. Yeah. So this call out was a number of things. So this right here had me a little bit long biased because if we would to either side of this 200 moving average, I want to see the market react. I want to see the market move away from it, like right here, right? And if you get the pullback, then I'll just stop out. But then I'll take another long here, and again, like it's either take whatever you can, or you just stop out. But once we had that volume come in, right, at a key level, look at the 2-minute chart that was supply. I like to see that just reject, and once that rejection happens, it flipped this into being a bearish kind of condition. So although I'm not really trading trend, I am looking at volume, and in this case, look, I mean, just look at the imbalance here. 50 that they're getting cooked, and they're breaking demand, right? Like you might see buyers step in here, but for this entire 1 hour candle, when you see this imbalance, this is the only way the market's gonna keep fucking dropping. Right? Jeez, McGuire, bro. $330, $323. Look at that, 53 down. Toast. She's toast. What? Lola, what? Should have at 60. Dude. Yeah, guys, I'm pretty much done. I'm not gonna jump back in this, but you know, beautiful work of art. Work of art. We've seen these sellers coming in, just getting slaughtered, bro. Look at this, 65. This is a 1 hour volume analysis that we can really, jump on the side of the sellers because we see this imbalance. This entire 1 hour is an imbalance. The only time you should go long is if they 50-50 this thing. But this thing is 97% sellers right now in this market. And this is the only way you break levels, I think. This is crazy. Oh my God. What was that? Did we just teleport again? 85. I'm not sure what just happened. What do you want? Food? Do we keep falling, guys? It's holding now at 289. Oh my God. I don't know if it's time yet to go long or whatnot, but the TP dot that green dot on the candle is where you take profit, right? And the macro charts are telling you take profit, take profit. This thing is telling you that it's probably flagging, price is in a flush state. It is, but you need this candle to dump again, or that's going to change. Look at that, bro. You would have been back, back, back. What? Stop. Well, I'll leave the stream on till about FOMC today. See what comes about from that, but a lot of buyers tried to step into that candle on the 15-minute. Look, selling this it just keeps growing. See, there we go. Just putting my 2 cents in the pot. And y'all motherfuckers thinking extra shit. Here it fell breakout. Good job. Good job. All right. I want to see if at this level buyers step in again. So I'm just using the 1 hour volume analysis since, we have about 8 more minutes in this 1 hour candle. 7. Yeah, about 8 more minutes in this 1 hour candle. And, we'll see. Buyers clearly are just not holding or stepping up to the plate. At least not enough to make it happen.
Me.
It's the 15-minute money zone right now, LMD. You got any supply up there? I got a 2-minute supply.
Nah.
You don't have no supply? 2-minute, nothing? That's crazy.
My 2-minute is all the way at 75. I got a 1 minute at 51.
Yeah, I got one right there at 40, 48. So it did what? Shit. Did what I expected. Came down to the money zone. The tick chart says
You sound like me right now.
Yeah, bro. I don't know what the fuck. I've been having this cough since last week. Came back.
Yeah, bro, me too. That shit, it hurts, bro. Low key.
It hurts.
Should be hitting me in my chest. I'm like, damn.
Wow. Yeah, I think I might jump in here if I see another demand come in on a tick chart. Yep, there it goes. I don't want to catch a falling knife. Get straight. Fire. Just that dirty level if you want it, big dog. Oh Lord. Jesus, what? 10,000 sellers came in just now. Y'all better defend this fucking daily level, man. Don't let them kill a daily level. Hold the line, motherfuckers. Fibonacci just went red on that. Fucking 15-minute supply, bro. Looks like they want to go test the 200 now. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Nasty. Not a lot of selling, though. The motherfucking sellers came back. This is dead. Oh, this is gonna fall. Oh shit. Yo, I've been watching the 1 hour volume to kind of like get some read on what's happening in this entire 1 hour candle. Buyers had an imbalance. We were, I think 10. Let me see. Posted it somewhere else. We had 19 to 400, and then that just happened. They came back. So, oh wow, they just beat them with the 22 to 12 now. Look at where that bounce came in from, Cuzzo. Look at your 200 tick chart.
Mm.
Can't make this shit up. You can't make this shit up. Oh shit, tick chart just came in with a supply though. So basically we need to break and hold above 337. Yeah, 337. That goes to, yeah, it's fucking wicked up there. Just keep watching these orders. Goes the break. Yep. So it just went from 26 to 29. Buyers are loving these levels. They just keep, ooh, we got a 5-hour supply up here at 342. Well, that was what we fell from, right? I think so. Yeah, so that's what we're trying to get through right now. That last 5-minute candle had a lot of buyers in it. Look at how many sellers just came in. 15,000. Shit. 16. Another 200 moving average on a tick chart bounce possibly. Break up that, run. Look at this shit. Back to 19,000 versus 22,000 with the sellers. Buyer stepped in again at the money, 24.16. I want to see these buyers hit like 40,000. I know that was what caused the imbalance for the sell side. Ooh, I just saw a 2-minute demand line come in.
Yeah, I got one that's been there. It started at 26.
That was that level I was telling you about from this morning, the 26, 326 level. I just wanted to take shorts to that level. They melted right through that bitch. Oh no. Don't break 26. Oh, that supply made a lower high, bro. This shit could go all the way back down to 280. Let's see if they're doing one of those moves where they go below the 200 on the tick chart, then all of a sudden you get a fucking rocket.
think if we can get back over 33 is what we got to get over. If we snap 33, it's on. All my tick charts, oh, it's nasty. All my tick charts are red right now.
Yeah, the only thing that was green for me was a 2 minute. Right now, we below the money zone. So if they continue to fall, it's gonna split red. But I'm still seeing like buyers winning the battle right now in the 1 hour. Oh shit, man. Sellers keep stepping in here. We're at 23 buyers to 20 sellers. Oh boy.
We're back down at that demand level that they built on the micros.
Five-minute candle. That 5-minute candle can push up over 38. We gone. That's 10 points.
Jeez.
Oh fuck. Man, candles on 2 minute. I'm looking for this to turn green. If it turns red, fucking you could get another wicked flush from this 200. Tough spot right here, man. This is where you want to put your bet. Go on, motherfucker, go. We went from cyan to green. Let's see if this candle closes this way, though. Money's on pullback. It's that 37 level that knocked us down before. We got to try to break through that now. We don't need some volume. Oh, we got an imbalance. We got 31,000 buyers to 13,000 sellers. Come on. That's a good close on a 2 minute candle.
There's 38. That's what we got to break right there.
Oh. That's that fucking tick chart supply. Oh. You need support at the money zone or this bitch is dead, cuzzo. There's a money zone bounce off the 2 minute. Make a move yet?
I'm
Did we make a move yet?
back down below my 4-hour level. I think I just logged out so I could see where I'm at.
Where are those bulls?
KP. KP.
We went back from green to cyan, bro. Bulls getting weak. Is that what you telling me? Run. Run, Forrest, run. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. 26,000 to 21,000. 46% selling pressure. Shit, 47%. I think if the Bears move this selling pressure up into like the 50s, 60s, this bitch is toast. Toast. There goes 51. He just flipped it. 24,000 sellers to 23,000 buyers. Oh shit. Might be a good way to just kill a trade. Let me see. Premature. 50-50 right now. Oh man. 43%. Buyer stepped in
Damn.
down there.
Things. I just made a new low, I think, if I'm not mistaken.
You got buyers here. If I see 50% again, we're gonna break the lows. But buyer stepped in again at the lows when the selling pressure was around 50%. We need one of them white candles.
Holding on the 5 minute, just
Yeah,
that's a 10. I don't have enough wiggle room in this. I got like $40 worth of wiggle room in this account.
got a YOLO like 10 fucking NQs one way, bro.
I just did 6 MNQs. Couldn't go, so I got out and I thought I was getting out break even and lost like $15.
That's a good
Yeah.
balance right there, man. I found that 5 MNQs, bro. If it moves, you like the P&L, and if it goes against you, you could get out without too much damage. So, half of an NQ.
So I go 2 and 2, so I can get out of 2 of them at a time.
Oh, I always do everything one, so the brackets could be broken up.
I still like longs here, man. It just got to get over 33.
Yeah. You're back to 50% right here. See what happens.
15 minutes. The thing is, my high time frames are red. So if I'm going based on that bias, I should be looking for shorts. I should be looking at the market that's going to go down.
Yep.
Where's VWAP at? Let's see. Oh, we still below VWAP. Yeah, why am I trying to go long?
Because you saw that move.
Dang, man. It's about to go, man.
Shit, I'm always the hell out of
6 MNQs. I was trying to see 362. I would have got paid like $300. That would have been a nice payday.
shit.
Oh, look, it's about to go, man.
Shit.
Do I jump back in right here?
Ray Charles. Shit, I'm not touching that high, bro. At 367. I mean, you do breakouts. You probably won't take no pullbacks, but that 337 area, bro, that shit, you know, it's up right now.
See, a candle won't hold over 33. I need to see a candle hold over 33 and then break 40. But like I said, my higher time frame, 5 and 15, is saying that we still going down. So I'm gonna go ahead. Wake up in the morning with them telling me that I can pull this $800 out. And there's the break. And this candle is gonna close green over that level.
Yeah, it's tough being patient for that. Oh, another supply just came in, bro. Like, what the fuck, bro? Seriously. On a tick chart. Only thing that breaks through that is a trend, man. But I think after all that consolidation, it's safe to put your stop right below the swings, bottom swings. Yeah, get up there, buddy. You go see the buying imbalance. 43,000 and 6,000 sellers. See? That's the only thing that moves the market, bro. When these imbalances happen in volume. And we just went from cyan to green. Ooh wee!
Damn it.
Ooh wee!
I waited all that time, man, just to get out of a freaking trade without moving my stop.
I need to hurry up and log and get the fuck out of here. Ooh, give me the pop and fail, motherfucker. Don't give me the pop and fail, motherfucker. Come on, give it to me. Shake that ass. Shake that ass one more time, motherfucker. One more time. Let that coochie breathe. Come on, don't do me like that. Don't do me like that. Don't hit the fucking target. We got 50,000 buyers to 5,000. Ooh, 10,000 sellers just came in. Still got the imbalance though. We'll see what happens. Oh, hell no. Hell to the no. Damn, bro. Should have rinsed everything up there, bro. Double top. This shit could be the killer right here. How we went from 50,000 fucking buying in volume to that. 15,000 sellers stepped in on that pullback, dude.
Shut it down. Not into the shop.
Oh, it's over. We just reached the 200. Somebody help. Oh, God. All right, YouTube. I'm gonna go ahead and take a break for lunch. You guys can keep watching the charts, see what happens. I am donezo for the day. Shut this shit down so I don't take another trade.
Why would you do that?
What's that?
Shut it down, man. That's being a punk. Ain't that what you told me?
Hey, yo.
No, I said I definitely didn't call you a punk for shutting it down. I said I'll make the money for you.
Nah, that was not today. I'm talking about yesterday. Don't punk out. Keep trading.
Did I say that?
You did. You put me on the spot, boss. I was like, I feel like I'm punk.
No. Not you. Man. Dude. Fuck. Just all I gotta do is avoid tilt, bro.
That's all we gotta do.
All I gotta do, bro. I'm just like we say, man, this is fucking good. It's just that size, bro. I'm gonna go into sim and purposely lose, like try to lose a trade and stop if I hit what you call it, my daily loss limit, personal daily loss limit, and see if I could respect that shit. Cause that's what be getting me. I'm like, nah, fuck that. I can make it back. Yeah, I don't know what the fucking good plan is for that, but homeboy said everybody goes on tilt.
I think that's hard to avoid.
Yeah, it is, man.
You're in a place, you're in a space, and you have the opportunity to at least say, you know what?
Let's see if we can keep it. See if we can keep it. Gonna help, guys. Probably come back during FOMC, see what's going on, but these demand levels are amazing, right? Plot it down there. We had a good thesis too, like this this daily level, man. I wanted that to hold. Right now, you're looking for this level to hold. 2-minute supply. Yeah, supply turn demand now, and you just want to see continuation on this along this 200. Seems to be where they keep catching bids at.